Turmeric essential oil is viewed as a strong relaxant and balancer. It has historical applications as an antiseptic and for skincare used in treating acne and facial hair in women. It is an analgesic for painful joint conditions such as rheumatism. This oil makes a wonderful digestive aid and helps to reduce excess fluid. Its therapeutic properties include analgesic, anti-inflammatory, carminative, tonic, and diuretic. Turmeric has potential for irritating and toxic effects when used in large concentrations. Turmeric is a middle to base note.